Finally, let's get into system optimization tools. openSUSE provides several ways to fine-tune your system's performance. In this section, we will cover TuneD, a dynamic system tuning tool, and how to use C groups for resource management. Let's start with the TuneD. Uh, just in case, check if TuneD is installed on your system by running this command, tuned. And TuneD is a tool for automatically tuning your system's performance for different workloads. So it's already installed. If it didn't install on your system and you just install it, you after the installation start the service and enable it to run at boot time by running sudo system control enable now tuned and hit enter just to check the service is running and nothing wrong with it, like that. Okay, so tuned has profiles. Tuned offers several profiles to optimize your system for different purposes. We have balanced for a general purpose workloads, power save to minimize power consumption, latency performance for low latency tasks such as gaming or multimedia editing, throughput performance for servers or high throughput workloads. So to see the available profiles you have, run this command, tune the add and list. And as you can see, all the profiles that you can use. To apply a profile, for example, latency performance, you can just like that, profile and latency performance, and you hit enter. Before that, if you would like to see which profile your system using, you can run active and it shows us it's a virtual guest because as I said before, it's a VM. And this is to show how openSUSE as an operating system is smart enough to understand that it is installed on a VM and choosing the right profile for that. So as we said, if you want to apply the profile needed, and you choose the profile name from here. Desktop, CPU partitioning, balanced, network latency, okay, throughput performance, latency performance, and here a small description about the option, and it is clear enough, okay. In case you want to edit one of these, like creating a custom profile, you can do the following, okay, by let's first list the existing profiles for TuneD, and we can see here the profiles that's coming loaded with TuneD. All you need is to sudo cpr and usr lib, okay, TuneD, and let's say I will choose the bar save to etc tune d and whatever the name you want custom, because under this folder is files, so you can uh, edit the configuration there. You can alter it according to the situation or the needs in hand. So I will name it custom profile, and let's run this and we see if it is there or not, because yeah, it became here now. And of course it getting the information, the default one in the files. uh if we go there, etc tune d and the name that I chose for that, you will find two files, the one tund for the configuration, okay. You can go through the configuration and you change accordingly to the situation you have. and here the script that running when you choose this profile. Okay, if you need to alter anything here. So this is for using tuned to tune your system for the needs or according to the situation you have in hand. One more thing to end this section, which is sudo. We have to mention this when it comes to tuning. If we run this command and I have to pipe it to less, it gives you all the kernel that parameters that it is loaded now in the memory. Okay, so you can alter them according to the needs. You can change the value, but it will not retain after a reboot. You have to edit the configuration file for that. So I will give a small example. Like, let's say I'm looking for the swapness. Okay, so it is vm.swap. So as we can see here, it is the amount of the swapness, and I want to adjust it. I can adjust it now in the command line, but it will not retain after reboot. So to make it sustain reboot, sudo vi etc sysctl.conf. Okay, and we take this copy and we edit here in the file, and we just add it like that. And I will change it to, now I want to use less swap space, so instead of 30 I will use 15. Okay, and this command, it was I, the parameter here, let's remember which one. Yeah, this one. So all we need is -p etc, okay, sysctl.conf. And when I search about this value again, we will find that it is changed and it will retain system reboot. So this one you can use to tune anything on your operating system. And I strongly advise to go through the official manual openSUSE for tuning your operating system, and you will find a ton of information there and how to change these variables.